You ever wondered how streamers go live on TikTok straight from their console, with clean gameplay, overlays, and chat on screen? Here's exactly how to do it in 2025. The secret is you can't stream directly from your console, so you'll need to connect it through a PC or a capture card first. So first thing you want to do is to prepare your setup. You can plug your PS5, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch into your capture card. Then connect that capture card to your computer. Then you want to open your streaming software like OBS Studio or Streamlabs and select your capture card as the video source. Then you can get your TikTok stream key. So after that, just open your TikTok Live Studio and get or request a stream key through the TikTok Live Center. And to do this, just simply go to the live and choose the stream with OBS or other software. Then copy the stream URL or the stream key itself. Then you want to link your OBS to TikTok. So just paste your stream URL and stream key from TikTok, then hit apply and OK. Then you can now set your output to 1080p or 60 fps for best quality. And you can now start streaming. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.